This is the meetup map, and in today's video, we're going to be doing funny moments. I compiled a bunch of my funniest moments from meetup, and yeah, this is the video, so make sure you enjoy, and grab some popcorn if you want. I don't know.
I don't want to look at his eyes.
Yeah, you have to... Oh, yeah.
I'm coming. That hallway. Where's that hallway? We're beat away the fire.
Balls.
Still coming. Oh my god. No, he's not. He's stuck in that hallway.
Again?
Get in here, bro. Again? My nose.
What the dog doing?
Die.
What the bean back? What the?
No, he's coming.
Go! No! I got stuck in his corner.
I'm stuck. Oh my goodness. I'm just jumping.
What are you running from?
Wait, don't get no kick. Step this one.
Stupid.
Yeah,
You just got... Oh my god!
Go back.
Never mind. Help me.
Oh my god! No! Please! Go! Open it! No!
You're not scary.
What?
What the hell? It's in here.
Oh my god! Oh, I just spawned in! This has to be illegal. Bro.
Stop. It's not fucking fun.
Oh my balls itch.
If the monkey boy. Hey, you're scared. Don't. If you come over here, you're my life. Oh my mama. He's over there. I saw him. He is over there. He's stuck. He's stuck right there. Somebody come with me. I'm scared. Who is this?
I just killed someone on accident, bro. He did nothing wrong.
Chicken die. Oh my god.
Release the baby.
Release the baby!
He's still stuck.
Yo!
That fool's right there. He is right there. What's he going straight down?
I just said that.
Oh my god! I'm recording.
He's down here.
Oh my god!
Shush. I think he's in B. He was chasing on that hallway, but he didn't go all the way. Nope, never mind.
Oh my god. Yo, they're so cooked.
Go know yourself. Go down there. You go down there. I just heard him.
Beater!